please answer. Stand with Palestine. Agree? Jawab. Aceh. Aceh, stand with Palestine. Aceh. Aceh. Aceh. Sign 1967. The Israel, the Zionists, first start attack brother and sister villa in Gaza, Palestine. Sign 1967. The land of brother and sister in Palestine of Gaza is attack of colonialism of Israel. Nowadays, 2023, more than 10,000 killed people of Palestine. More than 3,000 children killed by the Zionists of Israel. More than 2,000 women dead by the hands of Israel. If we can stay silent, people, if we can silent, if we stay silent, we can stop that attack of Israel from the south of Rakyat Aceh. Takbir! Takbir! Takbir! Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, the world have attacked Israel, have attacked Palestine. Even the world stands with Israel. Even every time the world attack Palestine. Even every man, the world attack Palestine. Even every time the world attack Palestine. Aceh must stand with Palestine. Takbir! Takbir! Takbir! Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest weapon for Muslim people is our dua. But enough. This one is not big. It's not very big to our contribution. This one is not very big to our contribution for our sister behind Palestine of Gaza. But this one has a meaningful. This one, this media, it always give positive effect, big effect, positive effect for Palestine and brothers and sisters in Palestine of Gaza. So with that, my name is Muhammad Fasha from Syahkuala University. Raise your hand to us with Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Ya Rab, protect our Muslim in Palestine. Ya Rab, save brother villa in Palestine of Gaza. Ya Rab, destroy Israel the Zionists. Ya Rab, destroy the Israel of the Zionists, Ya Rabbi. If I say Aceh, please answer, stand with Palestine. Aceh! Aceh! Aceh!
Okay, the last I want to ask to you, one yell for our friends in Palestine. And all of us will say, free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine!
Indonesia, Türkiye'deki İngilizce öğrenciler Berlin'den geldi. Buraya, burada toplumumuzda Beytülhaman Cami önünde burada toplanıyoruz. Burada İsrail katili her görüyoruz. Burada Filistin yanında her zaman destekliyoruz. Ve biz Acehli Müslüman olarak Acehli Müslüman Birliği biz her zaman bütün Filistinlileri, bütün Müslüman kardeşlerimizi her zaman ve her köşesinde biz orada yanında, onların yanındayız. Bismillah, ya Allah, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. Ya Allah, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. Ya Allah, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.